tenure in this school, and it is every word of mine. It is coming from my heart, and I bow to you, all of you. Thank you very much to you all. As far as the family is concerned, he has been the son of my family. That is very true. And to me, that means that even in the worst of times, he has brightens and warms his family with his light of a very gentle smile. I think you all are missing that smile, so I would request Mr. Ganju to please smile. That is what is needed here. So this day, smiling day only, that is what is the motto I have kept. So I request everyone to be smiling only, not to have anything, because everyone has to pass through this superannuation day. It is never that nobody, and I always have this feeling in my mind that this is not the time to retire. Actually, there is no question of retiring. And I would really say to one word to Ms. Usha, that is, she said that he will not be, so it will not be a helping hand to me, but to be very frank and true to you all, that his taking up a job is really a very, very helping hand for me. You will say how? You will say how? Because the time I wanted to devote to my spiritualism, which already you have been talking about, the Buddhist practice and all, it is just a philosophy of life to take the problem in a very, very happy way. So that is what I will be getting much more time to devote there to help other people to be happy, just as I am. That is what the practice is, to make others happy. So I just wanted to say this thing. And then the other thing, I have just 1 minute, that is there are 8 winds. I want to talk about those 8 winds. I hope everyone knows that winds are the one which carried you, you know. So the 8 winds are prosperity, decline, disgrace, honor, praise, censure, suffering and pleasure. So these 8 winds, when we talk about these 8 winds, all of us go through these winds. But how do we differentiate an ordinary man from a worthy man? The worthy man is never carried about by these winds, always stable. So I would love to say that every one of us should be a worthy person, not to be carried out by any of the winds. I know that in Sangathan we keep on facing these. That is what. So I think thank you very much. I hope I have not taken much of your time, and once again I am paying my debt of gratitude for everything you have done. It's just merely 63 years together we combine. We have given to Sangathan, but Sangathan has given us a lot in return. Settling down both the children in USA with a master's degree and enjoying their life well settled, and that is what the happiness we get, and all of you also will be getting in your due time. Thank you so much.